gradual release model and Bloom's taxonomy in a differentiated classroom. The objective of this video is to show how we use the gradual release model to encourage students to use Bloom's taxonomy in their questioning of texts.
The first step in the gradual release model is focused lesson. In this part, you will establish the purpose of intended learning outcome and clue students into the standards they are learning. This also provides teachers the opportunity to build background knowledge.
Not only do we select prompts to ensure students are responding to all levels of the cognitive domain, we model and show students how to not only respond, but to ask questions through literature circles, read-alouds, guided reading, and novel studies. In the following clips, you will see one of many times that we explain to students the use of Bloom's and where the questions that are being asked fall.
The second step in the gradual release model is guided instruction. In this step, teachers prompt questions and facilitate students through tasks that increase their understanding of content.
Today we'll be reading Ines, A True Well Story by John Helen.
In differentiated literature circles, students are asked to read text at their level. Next, students use a ring with leveled questions on them to promote conversations among their peers.
Who are you like the main character in the story? Sammy? I'm like the main character because I eat a lot of spaghetti and I really like Which main character? Freddie or Minnie? Ashley?
I am really kind of like Minnie because I love spaghetti.
What changes would you have made to this story and explain why?
Step 3 is collaborative learning. To consolidate their understanding of the content, students need opportunities to problem solve, discuss, negotiate, and think with their peers.
During the collaboration portion of this model, the students are split into 4 differentiated groups. Students use dice to determine what level of question they must write. Strategic groups get to continue to use the level question ring. The next group uses dice that have the numbers 1 through 3 on them, ensuring they only write questions from knowledge, comprehension, and application, and so on. The highest group has dice with all 6 numbers on them, allowing them to write and answer all levels of Bloom's questions. The following is a clip showing students who brought their questions they wrote to the circle. The students are discussing the questions they have written.
Who did it or why they did it or anything? She just hits me.
Well, didn't they say they thought that other guy hit it with the egg? That's why she probably
Jimmy?
That's why she probably felt bad. She probably didn't know that the hen had the egg and then it fell. Yeah, and when the guy had his hand up, that's when Meg probably thought that the guy.
And she should have known because nobody can just throw an egg at the top of your head. It would have to go up and then like a toss it up and then it knocks your head off.
But that guy had his hand over the head.
The final step in this process is independent work. This provides students practice applying the information in new ways. In doing so, students synthesize information, transform ideas, and solidify their understanding.
The following are questions students have written to bring to their literature circle.
My question is from Analyze. What is the relationship between ibis and blizzard? Question is from synthesize. What would happen if ibis didn't get tangled?
My question is from analyzing. Why do you think ibis liked boats?
My question is from evaluation. Do you agree with the actions of the fishermen that saved ibis?
These activities took lots of modeling and guidance in the beginning of the year.
Now that we are in the middle of the year, students are asked to write their own questions for literature circles and can even write some without sentence starters.
We are looking forward to continued growth with these students and the use of Bloom's questioning in our classrooms.